Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply for a partner of a student work visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I will have to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this official New Zealand immigration site, and it tells you that this visa allows you to work in New Zealand if you have a partner who is studying an eligible level 7 or 8 qualification or any level 9 or 10 qualification. Okay, so that means your partner is studying in New Zealand, and as a partner, you can apply for work with it. In Canada, it's called open work permit, and this is what is in New Zealand. All right. Eligibility. With this way, you can join your partner, work in New Zealand, study for up to 3 months. Your partner must be studying for one of eligible qualification as listed under your partner's visa. Check what you need to apply. Okay. You do not need to have a New Zealand job offer, of course. You cannot include dependent children, but they can apply for visa based on their relationship. Okay. So we are going to check how to apply online. So this is going to be applied through the RealMe account. So you need to have a RealMe account. If you come here for the very first time, you need to click on create a RealMe login, and then you need to create the account for yourself. If you already have it, you can log in here. So I have already made a video about how to create a RealMe account, and that link I'm going to include in the description. You can watch that video first if you don't have a RealMe account. For now, I'm going to log in and then I'm going to see you guys. So here I have opened, this is where you get after you log in into your RealMe account. So I'm going to click on partner or child visa. All the information I'm going to put here is just sample. So when you do your application, fill application as per your case, not exactly what you see here. Okay, because this could be wrong in your case. Okay. Are you applying for a visa as a partner of child of one of the following? New Zealand citizen, New Zealand visa holder? Yes. Your MasterCard visa or Union Pen? Yes. Are you Australian citizen permanent? I select no. I'll start my application. And you need to have some patience also. Okay, let's say just a sample case. There is a person whose name is John Smith, who is in New Zealand and studying at level 9. He has a partner named Clara Smith, who is currently in India, and she wants to join her partner, so she is applying for this visa. So for Clara, we are gonna do it. I'll put Mrs. Okay. Have you used any other name? I select. I'm not putting anything. But if you have, definitely provide that info. What is your date of birth? This is Clara's date of birth. I'm just putting a sample. Where were you born? So let's say Clara was born in India. Oh, I'm sorry. It got auto-populated. Town, city. Clara's passport number. So when you do such applications, verify every detail 2 times, not just once. Country, territory, passport, expiry date. I don't know why this get lost. Put your national identity number. Because it's a sample video, I'm not putting anything, but if you have, definitely, if applicable, provide details of other citizenships you hold. So India does not allow dual nationality, so definitely here we can't put anything. What is your partnership status? I select married. Have you previously applied for a visa for Netherlands? Let's assume this is the first time she's applying, so I select no. But if you have applied, you select yes because anyway they're gonna find out. Provide your current residential address. So as I said, let's say she is in India. Okay, and then Delhi zip code. One phone number is required at least. You can provide all, I mean, landline, mobile also. I'm just putting mobile number here. See, telephone became non-mandatory. Email, provide proper email address. This is just sample. That's why I'm doing like this. Is your postal address same as I select yes. Will you be in the same country as your residential address? I select yes. Will this application submitted together with other visa applicants are part of group? I select no. Are you applying as a partner or dependent child of other person? So I select partner. What type of visa are you applying for? So we are applying for partner work visa. How does your partnership, relationship, or visa status allow them to support this application? My partner is an I select this student visa holder, level 9 or 10 qualification. How long do you plan to stay in New Zealand? So if I select this page, same duration as your partner student visa, you can stay. So let's say his partner has around 2 years of, so I select this one. How would you be financially supported? My supporting person, I'm sorry, my sponsor is financially supporting my stay. My supporting person, okay, I select this one. Supporting partner, okay. Are you or your partner currently living together in a generous relationship? It's 12 months in total. With your partner in for the same period of time? Yes. Are you question no? 12 months in together. I select yes. I mean, assume he just moved there in New Zealand. So that's why I select this one. In a genuine and I select yes. Okay. I mean, do as per your case. I just selected some sample. This supporting person in this case, let's say husband. Partner's family last name Smith. Given name John. Partner's title Mr. His male. His date of birth. Of course, you know your husband's date of birth. Let's say what should I do? Any guess? Let me do 1994. Partner's current territory of birth. I select India with state or drop down again. New Delhi. Town city of birth. New Delhi. Of course, you know your partner's passport number. Country, territory of passport. Expiry date. Is your partner PhD student? Select yes. Will your partner supporting the partner need to provide police certificate for any country other than the I select no. But yes, click on question mark and read when under which condition it is required and not. and then answer. I just selected a sample. Principal applicant, do you have tuberculosis? I select no. Hospital care, renal, pregnancy, I select no. Have you visited or lived for more than 3 months within last 5 years? So let's say she has not gone out of India in last 5 years. So I just select India. Have you proceeded for a chest X-ray? No. Have you proceeded for a general medical certificate or limited medical certificate? I have not been asked to provide medical information before because this is the first time she is applying. Principal character. Have you ever convicted of any crime offense? Have you been removed, deported from, expelled from any country? Are you currently under investigation? Have you been refused a visa by any country for more than 5 years? Not including country of citizenship, I select no. Report procedure from India with a previous application. She has not even filed, so why that will come? Work history. Are you currently working? I select no. Now it's asking for the work history of okay. You can even add more employment history than the space, but this is not mandatory because not everyone works. So for her, I'm skipping, but if you are working, definitely provide that information. Okay, very basic information they have asked. Name, employer address, phone, mobile, email, your occupation, start date, end date. Do you have any other contacts in your? I select no. Are you complaining on behalf of someone else? I select no. Have you received immigration assistance? I select no, but answer as per your case. Form is processing. Upload documents. Okay. Passport style photo. Relevant pages of passport. You have any doubt? Click here. Or identification card. If not in English, then certified translation. Evidence of what to fund to support. Like if your partner is supporting, then bank statement and salary slips, etc. You need to provide general medical certificate and chest access certificate. Is physician submitting? Yes, no, as per your case. Evidence that your relationship is genuine and stable. Okay. Then translation. Evidence you have been living with your partner. As per document is not in English, then provide translation. Photo page of your partner's passport or travel document. Of course, you will have it. Completed form for partners. Partnership based on fraud. Temporary interim application. Okay, I'll cover this form somewhere else, but that you need to provide. If you provide more documents, just click on yes. Then the system will add more slots. And if you want even more, you can click add slots. And once you have documents uploaded, click on continue, pay the fee, and then digitally accept the application before submitting. And then it will go for processing. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.